In this lecture, we are going to learn how to install Chocolatey on Windows. Chocolatey, commonly called Choco as well, is a free open source package manager for Windows. It allows you to install packages quickly, such as Cabal. Join me in your command prompt application. So search for the command prompt application, but make sure you run it as the administrator. So you can right click on it and run as administrator. You'll get the message, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Then we can open that command prompt. Next, we are going to paste in the following command, which you can also find in the source files for this section. So you can just go to the end of the section and download the source files where we've pasted in the command to use. This command is going to access the PowerShell, and it's going to download from chocolatey.org an installation of Chocolatey into your user's root folder, so the C folder typically, /chocolatey/bin. So again, if you want to copy and paste the command, just go to the source files for this section. I'll show you what it will look like. Here we have included files of details showing how to install Chocolatey on Windows. So this is the command that you will enter. So it may look complex, but it's just using the Windows PowerShell to install Chocolatey into chocolatey/bin. So then, once you've entered that command and hit enter in your command prompt, you'll get some messages like installing Chocolatey on local machine, creating Chocolatey install as an environment variable. It's very likely you'll need to close and reopen the command prompt before you can use Choco. Restricting write permissions to administrators, setting up the Chocolatey package repository, creating Chocolatey folders, and then getting a message that Chocolatey choco.exe is now ready. You can call Choco from anywhere, command line or PowerShell by typing Choco. You can type Choco /? For a list of functions. If you don't see the prompt Chocolatey version, then this means you likely had a problem with installing Chocolatey. You can try restarting the terminal or restarting your computer. Make sure Chocolatey was added to your environment variables, or just try the installation again. You may already have it installed on your computer as well. So that is how you can install Chocolatey, a popular package manager for installing packages on Windows such as Cabal. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammothinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.